Guys, just starting the vlog today. Time now is what, 13:24, so slightly a bit late. Yes, I'm wearing this berry now, so lost all my powers. It's cold for this door. Yep. Yeah guys, back in the mess. Just gonna go and grab a quick bite to eat. Now I'm back to this now. I don't know if it's blue or black, whatever they want to call it, or one of them thing. Lost all my powers now. Everything's gone. I'm gonna stay. Costa un lunch. What soup is this? Vegetable soup of the day. Hey, Shirley, in New York. Very hot. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah? Yes, as I said before, today is going to be a really quiet vlog. But however, I'm just capturing some stuff so you guys can see. Just get the consistency, keep going. So there's a few things I have to do. I have a meeting with my boss 2 o'clock, so I'm just going to scrun this down real quick. Get back in the office, Skype call with him, and finish off around roughly about 3 o'clock. Yes, I'm going to pop down there, grab some stuff, bring it back to camp. And that's pretty much it, guys. Really quiet day, as well said. I'm gonna try and make a boring day look really interesting. Yeah, so hope you like this vlog. If you like it, drop a comment, let me know what's up. Just flexing with this new camera now. It's kind of playing up slightly. I'm still working my head around it. Pay a lot of money for it as well. There's DJI Pocket 2. I did got the first edition. However, this one's slightly better, but you're just playing up slightly, or maybe because I haven't read the manual. But yeah. Anyway, guys, eat this real quick. I'll get back to you. Speak in a bit. Bye. Guys, don't watch what I say or do, yeah? If you want to eat fries, eat fries. Just as long as you can burn that the calories, you're all good to go. Don't listen to anyone. Just do what you want to do. 2022, do whatever pleases you, mate. As long as it's not healthy, but as long as you can keep a healthy balance, then all good. The video was published a couple days back. I hope you guys go and watch it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. I mean, drop me a comment. Let me know. If it's shit, don't tell me shit. Just say Fabziy doing a good job. No, I'm joking, guys. Yeah, do read the comments. You know what I mean? And however, someone commented on my previous video, and they were just talking crap straight away. Block and delete. I ain't messing around, guys. 2022. If you talk shit, trust me, that's it. Cut you off. Block and delete. So Don't leave shit comment on my page. If it's shit, you're going. Period. I'm sorry to say shit as well, but if it's shit, you're going. Straight, block and delete. No joke. I ain't got time for this shit. Sorry, table manners. My bad. Table manners. What? Just tell me banana. That's it, one for the road. Right. Back to the golf. Chat soon. So cold outside. So right guys, I'm just here to see someone real quick, pick some keys up, grab some documents, and then shoot back in my place of work. Let's go. We're so clean. Partner, this is upstairs, mate. Classroom is upstairs. Went to the wrong location. Get this over and done with real quick. 5. 10%. Come on, you as well. Let's see which one is quicker. Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go on, Sati. Hey, you make him beat you, mate. You started before him. And he smashed you.
He's not stronger.
Yeah, he's slow. Alright, nice one, boys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Take it easy and good luck on the course as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright, take care. Sorry, guys. That's me. Just heading back real quick. Back to work. Drop these docs off and finish off this vlog. Oh, so cold, my youth. Freezing. Yes, guys. Back up my desk again. All my days. Smash my camera up, mate. Yeah, so totally forgot my tripod. So I'm just trying to balance it here. So hey guys, as I said, nothing much today. Really quiet day. Super tired. I'm on leave tomorrow, you know what I mean? So whoop whoop. So I'm just trying to finish off some emails and some document while I'm trying to square away really quick. Apart from that, nothing much. As I said, really quiet day. I was gonna make this vlog really excited, really spicy. However, you know what I mean, I was just getting dragged back and forth. So most of the time I was on my computer doing stuff, so I couldn't do much. You know what I mean? You know, as was said, I'm just keeping this consistency going. And I forgot my bloody mic again. I'm slacking, mate. Bloody mic. Better, guys, a lot better. So yeah, where I left off. So yeah, literally just get caught up in work, just doing random stuff, and yeah, because they know I'm going away tomorrow, so hence why the reason why I'm getting loads of emails and stuff like that. But apart from that, guys, yeah, life is nice, life is good. So next thing I want to say, so what you guys think about what Boris Johnson is going through? Do you think he should step down? Do you think he should still run as our leader? Let me know. I mean, it's very interesting. I would like to hear your comment. Let me know. Tell me. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about Boris. Yeah. If he's a good leader or if he should go. And yeah, you know what I mean, I would really find it interesting to see what you guys said. It's interesting because, you know, I live in London and I've seen loads of protests. Like every week is a massive protest. And yeah, a lot of things go on, and that's the thing with the media. That's why I don't watch TV as much, because a lot of things what I show on telly is only one-sided, you know. So I tend not to watch telly, and to be honest, you know what I mean, I'm doing my vlogs and stuff like that, so I don't have time to watch that crap, mate. You know what I mean? I just make up my own viewpoint and things, and yeah, just common sense, innit? But yeah. As I said, guys, drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about Boris, the new thing, what's going on now, trending. Yeah, Boris Johnson. And if he should go or stay, let me know. Drop a comment. Anyway, guys, hope you like this vlog.
share, subscribe, and all that stuff. And stay tuned for next week. Matter of fact, next week I'm going to be mad busy because I'm going to be on course next week. So I don't think I'm going to vlog as much next week. But however, I try my best to do so because I know a lot of you guys commenting and saying, yeah, it's glad I'm back and so on and so forth, you know. And also as well, massive thanks for all the comments as well, guys. Some really nice comment. I try my best to get around as much as possible. If I miss you after this, you know, I mean, I will get back to you. The farm is literally falling off, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, my youth. Quiet day. Not something I would normally do. However, I know you as a viewer is looking forward for something, so I'm giving you something. I was gonna train today a lot of things, but I couldn't do. Just get drafted with emails. Anyway, I'm repeating myself. Anyway, love you. Bye.